What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Matt Stingray. Thanks for checking in to the Rock the Watch channel. Guys, today we're going to do a full review of my Seagull 1963. Let's rock this watch. So there it is, guys. The Seagull 1963. As you can see, I have been rocking this watch, and it's got a little bit, even in the 1 month, it's got a little bit of scratches on, a little bit of wear on it, on the case right there. So if you guys have not seen videos of this watch before, this is a very famous Chinese chronograph. Now, I did my initial unboxing before Jody from Just One More Watch dropped a video on this about whether these were clones, and that, go watch that video if you want to know some stuff about this. And I titled the Seagull 1963. I don't think this is actually a Seagull brand watch. It might be an homage to the Seagull, which was apparently a I don't know. Go watch that video, and he explains a lot of stuff, but we're going to call it the Seagull 1963 for this, because apparently Chinese companies copy other Chinese companies that copy other watches. It's crazy over there. But anyway, let's get into the specs and features of this sucker. Yeah, it's a good looking watch, man. So this has a case diameter of 38 millimeters. And I measured in between the pusher and the crown. It has a thickness of 14 millimeters. It has a slightly domed sapphire crystal, so it's 14 millimeters to the domed sapphire crystal. However, if you're going to wear it on the supplied NATO strap, it is 17 millimeters thick. So keep that in mind. This is kind of a thick little sucker, and then you add the NATO strap onto it, and now you're 17 millimeters thick. Lug to lug is 46 millimeters. Lug width is 18 millimeters, so it should be very easy. There's plenty of straps, bracelets, all kinds of stuff that comes in that size. So the movement on this sucker, what is the movement? Now that's what a lot of people are interested in when it comes to this watch. This watch has, let me get it off this NATO strap. This watch is the Seagull. Let me turn it this way. ST19. There it is. Look at that sucker. Mechanical hand wind only. This is a column wheel chronograph. You can see a little sucker right there. And it has a power reserve of about 45 hours. It's 21 joules. It is hand wind only. So you can see no automatic rotor in there to cover up all those good looking mechanics. As I said before, it has a sapphire crystal. I don't think this is sapphire. I think this is mineral crystal on the see-through case back. It's got a screw down stainless steel see-through case back. It has claims to have 30 meters of water resistant. Little sign crown there with the star. And obviously the case and everything on this watch is stainless steel. So let's put it back on the strap and take a look at this sucker. Again, it has a very nice champagne colored dial with the minute track around the outside. It has gold tone numbers and indices. It's like the evens are numbered and the odds are indices. It has blued hands and the red chronograph. 21 yuan, I think that says. I'm not sure, but I think that means jewels in Chinese, just a guess. And how does this sucker work? If you guys are new to watches and you're coming across this video, you probably already know how these work. But the chronograph, this is the start button, and it'll start that red chronograph hand. Now, this is a small seconds, so running seconds. This is not a second hand. That's the chronograph timing hand. And you'll see on the chapter ring on the outside, which is printed, it's second and minute markers. Okay. The hour hand and the minute hand are very nice colored blue. Trying to get that where my lights aren't hitting it. This is the 30-minute timer on the right. This is the seconds on the left. So, and you stop it right there. Press this to reset it. Snaps right back. So people call that a flyback chronograph because the hand flies back to the start. This is an awesome looking watch. I really like this watch. It's very cool. I think I picked this one up from AliExpress. I think I said that in the unboxing video. I paid like $163 for it when they had their 10-year anniversary sale. They're always having sales. And yeah, so it's very cool. Very cool. So some of the things, what do I like about it? The colors of the hands look awesome. The champagne dial, the red star up there, although I'm not into that whole communist thing, but it's cool looking. The gold indices, the blue hands, the red chronograph hand, all that stuff's cool. Sign crown. It's kind of a fat little buddy, but that's kind of cool, you know, kind of stubby. But it looks cool on the wrist, though. This is normally smaller than I normally don't like to go bare minimum below 39. But this one, I can get away with it and rock it. So one of the things, also it comes with this cheap little, I showed this in the thing. I'm not even going to put this on here because it's so, I mean, even when I just fold, like, look at that already. I mean, man, this is, yeah, that's. So what are some of the things or issues I've had with this sucker? Well, this NATO strap is really, really not the best. It started to fray. Let me see if I can, you see it right there. It started to fray right off the bat. It started to fray. And it's kind of stiff. You can see the hole that I use right there. It's already starting to elongate. See if I can get, there it is. So the strap is really not that great. Other than that, this thing is very cool. Haven't had any issues with it reliability wise or anything like that. It looks awesome. I like playing with the chronograph feature because the little red hand snaps back real quick. Let it go, stop it. Pew. Shoot, I mean, that's very cool. Oh, by the way, if you start to encounter this on this strap right here, this frame, just this is nylon, so you can melt it. Just take a lighter, just hit that sucker real quick. It'll tighten it right up. And now it's good to go for a little while because this is not very good nylon. I recommend getting a different strap for this. Heck, you can have fun with this sucker and throw different colors on it. Maybe you can get a red and blue one to match the hands on this watch. But yeah, this is a very cool watch. Let's get it on the wrist and see what it looks like. So what am I rocking today? Today I am rocking my Citizen Eco Drive World Time. I think it's number like AT 031 something 10 something. I did an unboxing of this watch. I'll put a link to this video down below so you can go check this out. A very cool watch, very good looking. So let's get this sucker off and let's get the, whoa, careful, don't hurt it, let me put this on off camera because it's crazy to try to get this sucker on. Yeah, so there it is, guys. Like I said, 38 is a little bit small for me, but I found a way to rock this sucker, and it's pretty cool. I like the fact that there's only a little bit of thing flop. There's not huge amounts of extra tail flopping off this sucker, so that's kind of cool. Also, let me show you this. This one's very cool for rocking backwards, military style. There's been questions and stuff come up on the internet why people do this, why guys wear it like this. Most of the way it's because when you're holding the rifle, the fore end of a rifle, you can just look right down. Look at where, imagine you're holding a rifle right now, you just look right down and see the time. Also, it helps to prevent a glint off of the crystal and give your position away. So that's usually why, at least that's what we were told when I was in the Army. Like, that's why a lot of people wear it like that. So you can just instantly look down, see the time while you're pointing a rifle, and it won't give your position away because the sun won't shine off of it. So there it is, guys. Very cool. Very cool watch. I recommend y'all go pick up one. Check out AliExpress. I think, like I said, I got this for $163, something like that. And it is awesome. Highly recommended. Guys, if you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. And as always, rock that watch.